Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is the top IT engineer in the world, which is Nikola Tesla. Before we start, if you are new, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the topic. Nikola Tesla is born on 10 July 1856 to 7 January 1943, was a Serbian American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, best known of its contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC electricity supply system. Nikola Dianyas is the first born and raised the Australian Empire. The Tesla studied the engineering and physics in 1870s without receiving a degree, gaining practical experience in the early 1880s, working in telephony and at the Continental Edison's in the new electric power industry. In 1884, he immigrated to the United States, where he became the naturalized citizen, and he worked for a short time at the Edison's Machine Works in New York City before he struck out on his own. With the help of the partners of the finance and markets his ideas, Tesla set up the laboratories and companies in New York to develop the range of electrical and mechanical devices. His alternating current AC induction motor and related polyphase AC patents licensed by the Washington House Electric in 1888 earned him a considerable amount of the money and became the cornerstones of the polyphase system, which had company eventually marketed it, attempting to develop the inventions he could patent and market the Tesla, conducting a range of the experiments with the mechanical oscillators, generators, electrical discharge tubes, and early X-rays imaging. He has also built the wireless control board, one of the first ever exhibited. Tesla became well known as an inventor and demonstrated his achievements to celebrities and wealthy partners at this lab, and was noted for its showmanship at the public lectures throughout the 1980s. And Tesla pursued his ideas for wireless lighting and worldwide wireless electric power distributions in his high voltage, high frequency, high experiments in New York, Colorado Springs. In 1983, he made the pronouncements on the possibilities of the wireless communications with his devices. Tesla tried to put these ideas to practical use in his unfinished Warden-Clefey Tower project in intercontinental wireless communications and power transmitters, but ran out of the funding before he could incomplete it. After the Warden left, Tesla experimented with a series of inventions in the 1910s and 1920s. With varying the degree of the success, having the statesmanships on his money, and Tesla lived in a series of New York hotels, leaving behind the upbeat bells. Moving behind the upbeat bells in the consoles in unfinished modern cycles, tour projects, and tower intercontinental wireless communications and power transmitters, but ran out of the funding before he could complete. And after Warden cycles, the Tesla experimented with a series of inventions in the 1910s and 1920s with the widest degree of the success. Early years of this, Nikola Tesla was born in ethnic Serbs in the village of Samiljans within the military frontiers in the Austrian Empire, present day the Corritos, on 10 July 28 June 1856. His father, Milutin Tesla, 1819-1877, and was a priest, Eastern Orthodox, and judge. Tesla mother Duka Mendeming 1882 and 1892, whose father was also known as the Eastern Orthodox Church priest and was a talent for making the home craft tools and mechanical appliances, and the ability to memorize the Serbian epic poems. Duka had never received a formal education. Tesla credited his academic memory and creating the abilities to his mother's genetics, and influenced Tesla genetics were from the western Serbia near the Mongodoras. Tesla was the fourth of the fifth children. He had three sisters, Milka, Angelinas, and Marcias, and an older brother named Dane, who was killed in a horse riding accident when Tesla was aged 5. In 1986, and Tesla attended the primary school in Similagans, where he studied the German, arithmetic, and religion in 1862. The Tesla is again the process in which the failure of this accident, and then the all about the Nikola Tesla. Thanks for watching my video.